Looking for a royalty-free library for videos, sound effects, and music without paying monthly fees? Today we're reviewing Mixkit, a popular free resource creators use for YouTube, social media, and client projects. A quick disclaimer, this video is based on official licensing info and creator feedback. Always review licenses per asset before publishing. Mixkit is a 100% free stock media library offering royalty-free B-roll videos, music tracks, sound effects, and video templates. Assets can be used for personal and commercial projects, and most downloads require no attribution. The platform is backed by Envato, which helps ensure consistent quality and proper licensing across its media collection. Mixkit is especially popular with YouTubers, editors, and short-form creators who need fast, clean assets without subscriptions. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. For its pros, it is completely free, has unlimited downloads with no account required. It has royalty-free license for commercial use including YouTube, and contains high-quality B-roll, music, and SFX, including 4K and vertical video. Now for its cons, it has a smaller library compared to paid stock platforms. There are no stock photos and limited advanced search filters, and the occasional copyright claims reported, despite royalty-free status. Have you used Mixkit before? Comment what you download most: B-roll, music, or sound effects. If this video helped, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more honest creator tool reviews. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.